Okay, students, in this video, I am going to explain last problem in exercise 2.7. The previous video, I already finished exercise 2.7, fifth problem. This is a sixth problem. And student, this problem is same model. Okay, we already did in example 2.27. Ditto. Only thing is this value change, that's it. Okay, understand the question, very easy one. But important. If z is equal to x plus iy, that is a complex number, general form they given, and arg of z minus I by z plus 2 pi by 2 pi by 4. Okay, the argument of this full value is given as pi by 4. Then show that this is the answer. Answer also they given. In example problem, what we did? First we simplified the value whichever present inside the bracket. After simplifying it, take tan inverse y by x formula. Because argument formula is tan inverse imaginary part by real part. That is one method. Then equal to pi by 4. Then if you simplify, automatically you will get this answer. That is one method of doing the problem. Second method also there. Second method is this one you can take arg of z1 by z2 like this. Arg of z1 by z2. Then formula is there. I already told arg z1 minus arg z2. நிறைய வாட்டி போட்டுருக்கோம். டூ காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர் டிவிஷன்ல இருந்து ஆர்குமெண்ட்ஸ் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். அதே மாதிரி டூ காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல இருந்தா ஆர்குமெண்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணணும், நீங்க ஆட் பண்ணணும். rz1 rz2. Okay, so by using this concept also you can simplify this problem. So two ways are there. Okay, but anyway we will follow the example model. Okay, so other model also, this also you can do. Okay, it is not a wrong thing. Two ways are there to do the problem. But I am doing only one model, like example model. First I am taking this one and simplify. See here, consider first this fellow z minus I by z plus 2. Okay, so now I want to simplify this one like a complex number. Then I can apply argument for that complex number. Okay, so that is equal. What is z? X plus I by, they already given. Okay, so z is given as what? X plus iy. So x plus iy minus I by this one x plus iy plus 2. So it becomes what? X plus I, you take common, y minus 1. Right? So arrange both numerator and denominator like a complex number. Okay, by x plus 2 plus iy. Now we see this one, this is nothing but division of two complex numbers now. Z1 by Z2. So how will you divide two complex numbers? Take the complex conjugate of denominator, not the numerator. Okay, so what is the procedure to divide two complex numbers? I already told now, take the complex conjugate of denominator. Then you multiply both numerator and denominator. So x plus 2 minus iy. Okay, here x plus 2 minus iy. Understand students? So this is your division step. But you have to simplify this fully like a complex number. Appo the nama argument we can apply. You understand? So how will you multiply this one? Again I told how to multiply two complex numbers. Take real part, then multiply these two. Take imaginary part, multiply these two. That's it. Common multiplication. So x into x plus 2. Okay, x into minus iy minus x iy. Okay students, next this part plus I into x plus 2 into y minus 1. Last one minus I square into y minus 1. See this part, don't confuse students. See here, y into y minus 1 into minus iy. இந்த மாதிரி தான் நமக்கு இருக்கு. அப்போ minus I square, because I into I square, y into y minus 1. அதுதான் இங்க எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, divided by denominator, no problem. Your biscuits are I already told a plus ib to a minus ib, or x plus iy to x minus iy, x square plus y square. நம்ம ready-made formula இருக்கு. Okay, denominator no problem. இப்போ x க்கு பதிலா யார் இருக்கு? x plus 2. இவனா x க்கு பதிலா இருக்கு. y க்கு பதிலா யார் இருக்கு? y இருக்கு. அதனால தான் y square. Okay students, so this is no problem. X plus iy to x minus iy, we have ready-made formula, that is x square plus y square. real part square plus imaginary part square. The numerator is simplified. How will you simplify? Simply multiplication of two complex number in the numerator. Then you will rearrange this one like complex number. Then only I can use this arc step. Okay, students, how will you simplify this one like complex number? So listen carefully. So how will you simplify that like complex number? Means listen. So first I am writing real part, x into x plus 2. Okay, this also real part. But in these two I can take a I common. See here, x into x plus 2. In these two steps, I am taking common because both are imaginary. Plus I, if I take common, here x plus 2 into y minus 1. Here minus xy. So this is our imaginary part. Divided by, but this also real part, no? So what is this real part? I square minus 1. Minus into minus plus. So in mottama plus y into y minus 1 now. Plus y into y minus 1. Okay, divided by. So if we have x plus 2 the whole square plus y square. So how will you arrange this like a complex number now? First real part, x into x plus 2 plus y into y minus 1, real part. Okay, divided by this fellow, this is fully real part. Plus I into fully imaginary part, x plus 2 into y minus 1 minus xy, okay, by this one, x plus 2 the whole square plus y square. This is ஒரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர் மாதிரி கிடைச்சிருச்சு. ஃபுல்லா ரியல் பார்ட் plus I into imaginary part. Okay, so whatever we did now, just the simplification part only we did. Z க்கு பதிலா x plus I எடுத்துருங்க. Then you arrange the numerator denominator like complex number. Then we took the complex conjugate of denominator. அப்போ numerator you multiply it, denominator no problem. Then we rearrange like a complex number. So if fullaவே x fullaவே y அந்த மாதிரி. Now we use that condition, whatever the condition they given, that condition they given, or I will apply arg of, what is the condition they given? Z minus I by Z plus 2, Z minus I by Z plus 2 is pi by 4. அப்போ இதோட ஆர்குமெண்ட் pi by 4 னா இதோட வேல்யூ எதுக்கு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சோம், புரியுதா? அப்போ ஆர்குமெண்ட் என்ன, tan inverse y by x தானா, tan inverse y என்ன, this fully x plus 2 into y minus 1, okay, minus xy by x plus 2 the whole square plus y square. இது y value by x. இப்போ by x போடும்போது இது ஃபுல்லா ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஆகும். அப்போ into ஆகும். Okay, into x plus 2 the whole square plus y square divided by this fellow, x into x plus 2 plus y into y minus 1 is equal to pi by 4 because they are already given pi by 4. Then this one cancel. Now tan inverse, now you multiply inside xy, x into y xy minus x plus 2y minus 2 minus xy divided by this one, x into x square plus x into 2 2x plus y square minus y is equal to pi by 4. Okay, now this one cancel out. So tan inverse will go that side. So tan pi by 4 will come. So minus x plus 2y minus 2 by x square plus y square plus 2x minus y is equal to tan pi by 4. Inverse on the back of tan pi by 4. That is nothing but 1. Tan 45. Tan 45 you know 1. Then you cross multiply now. Cross multiply, cross அப்புறம் அந்த மாதிரி கிடையாது. இங்கே cross multiply. Minus x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 1 ஆல் இன்டு பண்ணா இதுதான் வரும். x square plus y square plus 2x minus 1. So if you rearrange this one, you will get the required answer, I think so. See here, x square plus y square plus 2x minus x அந்த பக்கம் போச்சுனா 3x plus 3x minus y எல்லா பக்கம் போச்சுனா minus 3y, the minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. I think that is your required answer. Yes, correct. X square plus y square plus 3x minus 3y Okay, plus 3x minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, students, step by step. If you understand, it is very easy only. Once you finish this step is easy only. Arg of any complex number z na namakku tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse y na இது ஃபுல்லா இந்த I portion ஃபுல்லாவே நமக்கு y தான். ஓகேவா? இது ஃபுல்லாவே ரியல் பார்ட் தான். I portion எல்லாமே. இந்த ஸ்டெப் எடுக்காம டைரக்டா போடலாம். பட் இந்த பிரிச்சா உங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகாம இருக்குன்னு பிரிச்சிருக்கு. அப்ப tan inverse y ன்னா இது ஃபுல்லா, by x ன்னா இது ஃபுல்லா. பட் டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது இது என்ன ஆகும்? மேல போகும்போது ரெசிப்ரோக்கல். இப்போ 5/6/7/8 இருக்கு. அப்ப 5/6 as it is you should put 8/7 I can write no. Like that I did this one. Okay. For this one cancel. After open the bracket you simplify numerator, denominator. The tan inverse if it go that side tan pi by 4 nothing but 1. So cross multiply. Then automatically you will get the answer. Important problem students. 5 mark important. So while preparing this problem, example problem you prepare, then it will be easy for you because both are same model. And one more method also that to do this problem I already told, arg of z1 minus z2 also you can use separately. But that the trigonometry formula again you have to use tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Again you have to use tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. That is also correct. That method also correct. As it is same answer you are going to get. Only thing is you have to understand two methods are there. So this method I feel easy because example same method they used. Again same method I used. Okay. So with this 2.7 I successfully I finished students. The next video on the introduction part of 2.8 I will teach. Then we will switch over to examples as well as exercise problems. Okay students. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share to your friends. Okay students. Bye.